So we just had some news came out on the U.S. economy. That was the CPI, which is very, very important, high impact news. And it was only just slightly better, slightly. The actual was slightly better than forecast. And so we see what that has done for gold. That's putting pressure on gold. The news, the high impact news, the CPI was good for the U.S. economy. And we are seeing now that that is putting pressure on gold, and we're seeing the drop in gold. Just before the news came out, we got up to 1996.7. It looked like gold was going to be heading up. But I can tell you, if you're buying gold right now, it's very, very risky because we've been seeing this drop here. We are on the 4-hour chart. Let me just clean up this chart a little bit, and so you can see what's been going on here. We've been moving down for a few days now. Okay, you can see here after that big move up a week ago Monday to 2,146, and then it's just been dropping down, just steady, 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 steady. The bears now have control. In fact, looking on the 4-hour chart here, we see that we are bearish on the 4-hour chart, and the day one chart, which I use for long-term trading, is neutral. Okay, so usually the 4-hour chart will turn bearish first, and then the day chart will follow right behind that a few days later. So we're seeing bearish on the H4 chart and neutral on the day one chart. And what we're seeing is a continuing decline in the price of gold. It's dropped from 2,146 to where it is right now at 1,984. Huge, huge drop over the last 5 or 6 trading days. And it looks like it's going to continue to drop here. We are on the 4-hour chart. You can see that. And it looks like we are definitely going to continue to drop. The next support level is 1980. Okay, 1980, and we will hit that today for sure. Okay, it was already there this morning. This morning when the Asian Pacific market opened, it was at a low of 1981. So it's very, very likely that it will come back down to 1980, which is our support. And then below that is 1976, where we were yesterday. Okay, 1976 is the next support level below 1980. And then, of course, you have your minor support levels at 1970 and then 1960. 1960. We could get down to 1960 today. All right. The way gold has been moving, okay, in December, it's just been crazy. It has really just the such exaggerated moves. It wouldn't surprise me that we get down to here where you see the cursor on my chart down to 1960 zone. And so gold is bearish. The bears have control. All right. And I don't try to predict which way it's going to go. I just react to what I see. And with gold being in a bearish trend, the trend is my friend. So I look for an opportunity to sell. And that's not right now when the news has just come out. I wait for the news to finish. And then maybe a little bit later, we get a pullback. I'm getting a little bit of a pullback now up to 1987. I'll wait for more of a pullback, and then I will look for a short opportunity. But don't chase the candles. Okay, don't chase the candles. What you're seeing now is a knee-jerk reaction to the news. It's very volatile. It's likely to continue down, but I'm just going to wait and see if I can get a pullback to a little bit better price. I want a better price on my short trade with gold. All right, so don't chase the candles. Let the market come to you. Just relax. The Forex market will still be here tomorrow. You're not going to miss out on anything. Don't FOMO in. Don't go in big right now. Don't have the fear of missing out. All right, let the market come to you. Plan your trade, trade your plan, trade small. Be willing to grow your account gradually over time, and you can be successful. Now we're at 1985. All right, and we see this reddish candle here already starting to move down to lower lows. 1985 right now, and 1980, not very far away, only $5. That's our next support level. And then the next support after that would be 1976. All right. So thank you for joining me for tonight's live from somewhere else. I'm not at home. You can see in the background my hotel room. But this is very, very important news, the CPI. And I just wanted to jump on here live and share my insights on gold. I hope this helps you a little bit. Don't forget to like, love, and share. And I will see you again next time. Bye-bye.